This is going to be a super quick video on a GoHighLevel walkthrough from start to finish, how to set it up. And if you're just a general beginner, you can get a good idea of each of the features here. This video is going to be for you. So I don't have a lot of time. I'm just going to jump right in. This is actually the sub account view. So there's two views in GoHighLevel, the agency view where you can see all your different sub accounts with your different clients. And then there's the sub account, which is actually here, which you actually run your business out of. One of the first things to do is actually to fill out your business profile information. And once this is filled out, then you can go down here to phone numbers, purchase a phone number, and then do the A2P verification. If you want to do the A2P verification, I have another YouTube video on that, how to get approved 100% of the time. But there's a lot of YouTube videos out there that you can watch that basically you just get that done so that you can actually start sending text messages from your account. The next thing here is just the conversations. This is like a unibox feature. All your Facebook, Instagram DMs, emails, and texts will all show up right here with your conversations with your contacts. So it's a super cool way to manage it in one place and quickly get back to people. You don't have to switch app to app. And this is your calendar, so you can actually see you or your teammates' calendars here and all the appointments that you have. And then the calendar settings is where you're going to actually want to go to set up a calendar. So you can come in here, customize it a little bit, and then add your different team members. This is going to be the calendar that people actually book appointments onto for your agency, or if this is your client, this is a calendar you want to set up for them so that they can have appointment confirmations for people coming into their facility or doing quotes and estimating and stuff like that. The next thing is the contacts. So this is like your CRM. This is where all your contacts who've interacted with your Facebook opt-in forms, your website, or your Facebook and Instagram DMs all come in here automatically. You can filter by different tags for your contacts here, and you can also add them to your automation. So if you want to send out text messages or emails to all of them, you can do that as well. GoHighLevel is one of the best CRMs out there. It has so much functionality, and this is just a great way to organize all your contacts. This is opportunity. So think of this as like your lead pipeline from start to finish. So this is just an example one here, but somebody fills out a form and they can go through, book an appointment, they show or no show, and you've either won or lost that opportunity. All of your contact cards will start to pop up here as they interact with your forms and then come directly into your system. And automations is probably the best feature within GoHighLevel. You can build out any different automation that you'd like and automatically move the contacts throughout your pipeline here. So if somebody goes from filling out a form to actually booking an appointment, there's an automation you can build to just automatically move that contact throughout this pipeline. But you can build a bunch of different pipelines here in GoHighLevel for leads or cold outreach, whatever system you want to make. It's just a great way to keep your contacts organized in your sales process. There's also payments. You can integrate Stripe, PayPal, and I think Square too, just for getting payments and sending invoices within GoHighLevel. You can also do documents and contracts. You don't have to do like a DocuSign. AI agents, this is kind of a newer feature within GoHighLevel, but they do have voice AI now and conversation AI. Their conversation AI is a little bit better in terms of like texting back and forth, but they do have a voice AI agent that can answer calls and book appointments as well. You can also do AI chatbots on the website just as another form of lead capture. But here in the marketing, this is where you can connect to your Facebook, Instagram, Google business profile and do like social media posts all in one place. So if your clients have they don't want to go back and forth, they do a picture of a job, they finish it up, they want to post it, you can automatically schedule out those social posts. And then jumping into automations, there's just so much you can do within here. One of the best things to do is actually get someone on Fiverr or Upwork who's like a GoHighLevel automation specialist, or honestly just jump in and just start building things. It's like the fastest way to learn stuff. But just for an example here, so like bookings, appointment booking, confirmation. So this one, they actually book an appointment, then you get an internal notification. So a text goes to your phone saying you've got a new appointment. It moves the opportunity to the book call, and then the contact actually gets like an appointment confirmation email and text as well. So this is just one example. There's a bunch of automations that you can do in here. Like I said, probably GoHighLevel's best functionality. Moving to the sites. This is where you can actually build out your websites and landing pages. They have tons of templates here, like thousands of templates that you can choose from. So you can just literally come in here, find one that you like, and then put your contact form on there. You can build forms within forms. That way people can put in like their name, number, and what they're looking for, and then surveys as well. So, but yeah, full landing pages and websites can be hosted and maintained within GoHighLevel. And they've made a lot of improvements with their website builder, I will say. It used to be pretty clunky, and now it's pretty efficient and like plug and play. Media storage is kind of like your own Google Drive here. Reputation, this is a big one. So they have a couple things here. The widget, this is where you can actually include like these reviews as a slider on your website. You just take this code, and you can put it on any website or landing page. The other thing here is with the reviews, you can automatically reply to every review that you get with AI. So every time you get a new 5-star Google review, it will automatically reply to it for you, and you can set up how long to wait until it replies for you. But just an easy way to request and reply to all your Google reviews right here once you integrate your Google business profile. I think that's about it for this walkthrough. I wish I could go through everything, but I wanted to keep this one short. If there's something super specific that you want me to go through, like connecting your Facebook ads manager and setting up the automation for that, or setting up a full calendar and the appointment confirmations tied to it, or moving the contacts throughout your opportunities pipeline, let me know in the comments below, and hope you got some value from this video. I will see you in the next one. Peace.